Alright guys, I was sent this box for review after the company apparently stumbled across me. And then stumbled across my husband opened a Birchman box like last summer. And I think he got a couple of those boxes and you could just see the disappointment on his face when he opened it. Like, no. So this company decided to reach out to me through my comments and then emailed me when they found my email because I wasn't getting some of those comments. And they said, we would like your address. We would like to send you this box. We think your husband would really like this box. And my husband was supposed to be here to open this box. But, you know, I don't want to keep harping on that. Some men are just not made out to be, I don't know, to play on YouTube, I guess. At least not for this girly channel, he says. He said he's alright with the adult channel because then he can do whatever he wants. Which, do that here too. Alright, anyways. I was like, okay. I watched a couple videos after I talked to the company and I'm like, well, we'll see what he's going to say. And that's why I was hoping he would be in this video so you could actually see the look on his face. And I'm sorry, company. We will have this discussion at the end of the video. It is the Spreezabox. I don't know much about this box. I don't know. Let's see if there's a... Alright, the price of this box, or for the subscription box, I will leave down in the description because I'm a dummy and I didn't write it down. But inside the box, looks like this. And how to survive the week of the wedding. We've been married for well over a decade now, so, like, way over a decade. Yeah. Don't let that guy pay for the wedding. He's nuts. What? Okay. Netflix, the week of watch on April 27th. Okay, I don't know what's all going on here. Seeing something about Netflix, I'm like, that has nothing to do with the box. Alright, we have... Wow. I'm not sure what all this is. It's a little card. And it does have a product card in here with prices. I about said full-size prices, but you know, it is what it is. It better be full-size. Says the Green Witch. Like sandwich, but Green Witch. This box came last month, so this is not technically June's box. This is May. It says, it's time, gentlemen. It's the moment we've all been waiting for. A well-rounded mix of killer products and fun colors designed to keep you looking professional. My husband works in auto body. He comes home smelling like paint thinner, gas, diesel, burnt tires. I mean, there's a lot of smells coming off of him and a lot of things on him because he works in a shop. We are launching all new Spreeza products in our stores, so you might want to visit our website frequently to check them out. I don't know when he's going to look professional. I can't even go out on a date anymore because, you know, work comes first, so. Alright, I'm not going to harp on that. Bedford and Broom necktie retail $35. If you love gingham as much as we do, you'll realize that our Brooklyn-based friends of Bedford and Broom definitely delivered this month. Navy and white with a hint of color for a fun yet classy vibe. Check out their site for limited edition pieces. at bedfordandbroom.com. Oh my gosh. $35 for a tie. Those are definitely not colors my husband would wear if he had to wear a tie. He likes solid colors if he has to wear a tie. More like a black, dark blue, things like that. My son wasn't interested in this either, so this is going into the men's giveaway box because maybe they'll know. Actually, I might want to get a hold of them and ask them if they want it, because if not, I can drop it off at one of the shelters so somebody can look professional for a job interview or something. Alright, the next thing we have in here is the Spreezabox watch. Retail $65. This month we're bringing you our very first Spreeza timepiece. It features a light brown leather strap, stainless steel case, and minimalistic face. You can wear this for almost any occasion, and the straps are removable if you're looking to swap it out for a different color. Okay. Comes in a little velvety bag. That's nice. And the thing about a watch, my husband don't wear watches. Like, he'd lose it because he works like 6 days a week, so he would never have time to wear one. And it says Spreeza New York City on there. Looks like it's pretty nice quality. But that is going into subscriber giveaway. And if he doesn't want it, then I'll send it over to the shelter so somebody else can look snazzy. My son don't want that either. He don't wear watches either. I used to wear them all the time. Alright, next thing in the box is Aristo tie socks. Retail is for $10.75. There is more down under than what the Aristo ties brand suggests. Try on Sydney's latest and finest pair of micro gingham socks. The exquisite navy blue cotton blend will match almost any color slacks aside from black. And my husband likes solid color socks. More like he'd prefer to wear white socks with if he has to dress up. My son didn't want these either. And these are men's US 7 to 13 size. It's just either they're going in the giveaway, or if they don't want those, I can send them to the shelter. Somebody's going to get some use out of them. Just not here in my house, unfortunately. Alright, we have Blender sunglasses pouch. Retails $5. For those on the go adventures, the guys at the Blenders Eyewear have prepared you with a bycast, animal-free leather pouch to comfortably store your sunnies. Check out the stylish collection of affordable eyewear. It's a nice case. We won't use that either. Not even me. Heck, I can barely keep up with my sunglasses. When I do find a pair, I put it on my head and I leave them there and then lose them. I just won't put them back where they're at. Now, the only thing in this box that was of any interest to either one of my guys is the Razor MD comb. Retails for $9. Keep that comb over look looking real neat with this fancy wooden comb from Razor MD. They make all things grooming and teamed up with us for a great price. It's a cool looking comb. It's a comb, and it's the only thing that's staying in my house. My son's already called dibs on this. My husband was like, it's okay. Oh, that's nice. Especially if your hair was wet. Maybe this is going to my son. Be okay. Like I said before, I will link the price of this box below. But as it sits right now, after my husband looked at all this stuff, and then he opened up his Birchman box, he had a giggle. He said he'd prefer the Birchman box over this any day. But the box he got for Birchman was actually a limited edition one, so it wasn't a monthly one. You know. So I will find the price for this. It'll be the first thing you see when you look down in the description if you're interested in this. This is just not for us country folks that are blue collars that just work. We don't really get dressed up or do anything that much. Alright. I do have a couple of giveaways going on for till the end of this month. The men's giveaway is already done and over with. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I take a breath. I could feel my heart race down my chest. Throw up a like. Do some shout outs in the comments or something. And I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.